No, you stay here. Okay. Okay. Do me a favor. Take your jacket off. Take your purse off. Turn and face the wall.
Am I being arrested?
Yes.
This case was recorded on the 10th of September 2025 at Fort Lauderdale-Hollywood International Airport during a Spirit Airlines Jetway breach arrest.
What's up? What do we got?
I need these guests to come up the aircraft because when she come in, we told her to pay for the carry-on bag. She got 2 items and everything. So she didn't
want to pay.
She doesn't want to pay. That wasn't even the issue. Yeah. So she get irate and then she was yelling and screaming and everything and then she threw this one and then technically she went on board by
That's
force.
her bag right there?
Yeah. So we told her to go back.
How did she get on the plane?
She went by force. Even
She
we
just
told her
walked
not
by.
to go. Yeah.
And now she won't.
She didn't board.
Now she won't get off? Or you didn't ask her yet to get off?
Yeah, she needed to get off. I want her to come off.
No, but did you ask her already to come off? She said
She
no?
said no. She said she's not coming.
Okay, whose is this?
That's us. The BSO come on. The BSO.
21A?
21 Alpha.
What color
Her name is Jackie.
What color shirt she wearing?
Like a blue sweater or something. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pardon?
Are you Jackie? I'm going to need you to step off the airplane and come speak with me outside. Whoever you're traveling with is, I guess, free to stay or come, whichever way.
Good morning. Thank you.
Let's step up here out of the doorway here. What happened today? Tell me what's going on. Come up here. I just want to get with him.
That lady is so rude. I bought my gift in the shop. When I booked my ticket, like on the way in, the lady said we have a personal item. We don't need to check the bag. I bought a gift for my son. I'm going to New York. It's a little toy box. And they asked me, and I told them I bought this gift in the airport. And my husband was begging her for me to bring the gift with me. And they started following me, harassing me for a gift. I'm like, ma'am, I just bought this gift.
Because they said, well, because now it's 2 items instead of 1.
But it was a gift box.
3 barber 30,
So
25 without parties and everything.
I left the box for them.
She actually left
I left the box for them. Because I'm not going to pay $90 for a $30 gift. They can have it. And I left and she still called you to come follow me.
Okay, so you had that. You had that box.
My kid's toy.
And when she gave you a hard time because it was 2 items, you said, screw it, I'm just going to leave it.
Stop me from going to the door following me.
Also, just, I don't mean to point anything out because I don't want to pay, but I'm holding a toy in my hand, sir. She was singled out for I don't know what reason. So.
Okay, I understand. So here's the thing. She's saying that then she told you not to get on board and you just kind of pushed her way through and got on board.
And came.
You actually haven't even scanned your ticket and
I
checked
just
in.
scanned my ticket. That's how they know. I left the box and came to catch my flight because I don't want to miss it. I left the box because that's what she wants. If I give her what she wanted, I don't need no problem. I don't want to pay $90 for a $30 gift. If she wants the box, if it's that serious, they have the box. And I just went on about my business. She still followed through. Even though I'm not violent, I'm not causing problems, I'm not saying nothing, she still called the police. So,
okay. Just go and wait here with my partner and I'll be right back. Hi.
Darlene is right there.
Okay. Do you know what we're doing? Is she rebooking? Is she refunded?
We have to ask Darlene. Hold on.
Okay.
My supervisor said they're not going to go.
They're not going to go what?
They're not going to fly.
Right, no, I knew that. Okay. The question was, are they getting refunded or rebooked?
They're going to get rebooked, but if they don't want, they're not
Do they have check bags underneath this plane?
I have to double check. I gave operations there for 9 hours, so I have to double check. So if you don't pull back.
And another article on the Jetway to run down on
Huh?
No, they have no check bag.
No check bags.
No, yes. She refused. She just actually about to push me to go on the aircraft. We asked her to come off. She said no, she's not going to come off.
You didn't check any bags on the plane, right?
No.
So here's what's going to happen. You're going to take your stuff and your stuff. You're going to grab the box that's over there. They're going to rebook you on another flight with a different crew, and then you'll fly home. They're not going to let you on this plane.
Why I have to be
Ma'am,
here?
I don't make that decision. It's not up to me. Spirit Airlines doesn't like the way that you acted.
My
what happened.
attitude?
No, the way you acted and what happened, whatever, they don't like it. So here's the thing. That's for you to take up with them, between you and Spirit
So they're
Airlines.
sensitive because
So
I'm
they're
upset
saying you're
that I
gonna,
wouldn't take my box?
Ma'am, please don't argue with me. I'm trying to make this really, really simple. You're not going to get on this plane. They're going to rebook you. You'll be allowed to fly at a later time this afternoon or whatever, whenever the flight is that they put you on. That's it.
And I got to deal with her to book me? Can I find somebody else?
I'm going to stand here with you the whole
Please,
time.
'cause
Okay.
it's
No, she can go to guest services.
Yeah.
Or you could go to guest services either way, which is at Terminal 4 in the customer service at the ticket desk. Sir, the sarcasm isn't needed. Sorry, headed that way.
It's needed.
You got to go to Terminal 4 to the Spirit check-in ticket counter. Ma'am?
Oh, yeah. Is this yours? Is it yours? You're going to have to take that and dispose of it or do whatever you're going to do with it.
It's your gift. Take it with you.
I'm going to fly with security, not going to allow it. I'm leaving it with them. She said I cannot fly, so I can't even book another flight. She literally trying to sabotage me because of ego.
Okay, you have your ID?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't do nothing to that lady too. I didn't do nothing to her.
Thank you. All right. So, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Go ahead.
Actually,
Turn on 911 open line.
No, you stay here. Okay. Do me a favor. Take your jacket off. Take your purse off. Turn and face the wall.
Am I being arrested?
Yes. Turn and face the wall. Place your hands behind your back. Thank you. For breaching. Breaching the gate. Your ticket wasn't scanned before you entered into the jet bridge. It's a felony offense.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
The lady scanned it. Ma'am, are you serious?
I'm being very serious.
She scanned my ticket before I left. That's how they were able to see my box.
I understand that, but they're saying that the ticket was not scanned, that you barged onto the jet bridge. That's a breach. Okay? So, the rest of your stuff, do you want the rest of your stuff to go to him? Huh? I'm asking you, your jewelry, do you want it to go to him?
Yes.
Okay, stand right there.
I'm going to jail for... Come on, man.
No, I'm being very serious. Like, it's not a joke. Oh, I gave it back to her. I have.
How long am I going?
It's in the last page that's in there.
I'm not a troublemaker. I'm not trying to...
I understand that, but unfortunately you made a bad decision today. That's all it is. It's just today.
What's that happened to me?
You're going to go to jail. You're going to be processed and you're going to go to jail.
For how long?
I don't know until you can make bond.
You're taking me to jail. I didn't commit a crime.
I will take your purse. Your purse can go with you. The rest of that stuff you're going to leave with him.
You can have my purse.
You don't want your ID or your phone?
Take all my stuff.
All of your stuff?
Yes,
You
can
sure?
have my stuff.
Okay.
I have to call you.
Okay.
Level here. So.
All right. Okay.
Evil shit. Why are you guys so upset with me? What did I say that make you
I'm
guys
not upset, baby.
Yeah,
My pressure is low.
Yeah, so what happened? Because I came to get my ticket and you decided to arrest me. Why?
No, it's not a decision. You made that decision when you breached.
I did not breach. They scanned my ticket. They scanned my ticket. 2 people took my ticket from my hands. The first lady in the front and that lady. She took my ticket before.
They saying you didn't.
So how long am I going to be in jail?
I just told you until you're able to make bond.
You're 42?
Yeah.
And this is a felony charge?
Yes. Anything you do at the airport is a felony. This is a government building.
Yeah?
Yes.
So am I going to see a judge today?
Maybe. If you get to jail in enough time, you'll make bond court for the morning time.
So I was spending my jail.
More than likely, yeah.
I'm not a criminal. I never committed no crime. I'm not a criminal. I'm going to jail.
I'll be bringing my vehicle around to upper level
I don't know what to tell you.
This is sad. Like, it's going to be a lot of trauma for me.
Yeah, just have them meet us up at the crosswalk.
We're going out the exit right here.
Just because somebody don't like my attitude, I get to go to jail. That's a law?
No, I just told you what happened. I just explicitly
this lady
explained to
don't
you,
like my
though.
attitude, so she's lying to put me in jail. Literally. You had a box in your tent. It's my attitude. Because you take my kid's toy and I'm upset. I didn't say nothing to her.
Ma'am.
I'm going to be 10-6.
So for a crime like this, is there jail time?
It could be punishable up to like a year of jail time, felony time. Do me a favor, sit so your feet are going to be outside because I have to take your anklets off. Hold on, I'm still on. Okay.
He was cool, handled. He was cool. Said, okay, I understand. All right. I was surprised. I thought he was gonna get.
All right, you're gonna have to go in his vehicle. We're gonna switch out your cuffs, and we're also gonna put you in the back of his car. So come out with me. Step all the way out of the doorway.
Thank you.
We're going to this car right here. Now, I'm going to give you an opportunity to set your hands, okay? Put your hands together like you're praying. You cannot. You cannot. By our policy, yeah. There's nothing that we can do about that. That's not our policy. So if you want to put your hands together like you're praying, it'll be a lot more comfortable. You want me to put the seatbelt on?
The legal issues span federal Jetway breach, felony, airline discretion, mistake of law, and TSA sterile area protection. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 46314, entering aircraft or secure area in violation of TSA security requirements is a federal felony, punishable by up to 10 years in prison. Gate scan is TSA prescribed security checkpoint between sterile area and aircraft. Under 49 C.F.R. Part 1540, unauthorized entry to airport sterile area violates federal aviation security regulations. Under 49 C.F.R. Section 1540.105, bypassing screening or inspection is prohibited. Action supporting Section 46314 charge. Physical boarding without ticket scan bypasses the gate checkpoint entirely federal felony completed at moment of breach. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44902B, an air carrier may refuse to transport any passenger deemed inimical to safety. Judicial review is limited to arbitrary and capricious standard. Spirit's refusal based on subject behavior is squarely within framework. Consumer disagreement with bag policy does not override airline safety discretion under Section 44902B. Under FLA.stat, Section 810.11, trespass on airport property applies to unauthorized entry to restricted areas. Under FLA, Stat.section 877.03, disorderly conduct captures throwing bag at gate plus sustained argumentative behavior. Post-State v. Saunders, 1976, narrow construction applies, but airport disturbance satisfies affects peace and quiet prong. Under FLA, Stat, Section 843.02, resisting without violence is first-degree misdemeanor as alternative charge. Under Beck v. Ohio, 1964, gate agent report plus absence of ticket scan record supplies probable cause independently. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, totality of circumstances analysis with multi-witness corroboration completes framework. Under Devenpeck v. Alford, 2004, officers for breaching the gate articulation reflects clean, best practice communication. Officers This is a government building simplification captures federal facility framework for subject understanding. Under Cheek v. United States, 1991, mistake of law is generally not a defense to general intent crimes. Subject's belief that abandoning gift box restored boarding rights does not negate mens rea for Jetway breach. Under Rhode Island v. Innis, 1980, Subject's "I left the box" admission is voluntary and admissible as spontaneous statement. Under Muehler v. Mena, 2005, handcuffing during a lawful arrest is expected and permitted. Officers' hands together like you're praying, comfort adjustment reflects respectful custodial handling. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, use of force is judged under objective reasonableness standard. Under Sheehan v. San Francisco, 2015, medical concerns during transport trigger duty of care awareness without defeating PC. Subject's "my pressure is low blood pressure" concern requires officer monitoring during transport. Property transfer of jewelry and personal items to husband reflects best practice arrestee treatment beyond legal requirement. Under United States v. Robinson, 1973, search incident to a lawful arrest is authorized. Under Atwater v. Lago Vista, 2001, warrantless arrest for the offense is constitutionally permissible. Under Rothgary v. Gillespie County, 2008, Sixth Amendment right attaches at initial appearance. Under Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, custodial interrogation requires prior warnings of 4 core rights. Under Berkmer v. McCarty, 1984, pre-arrest investigative questioning is generally not custodial. Under City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, verbal complaints about airline policy are protected First Amendment speech. Under FLA, Stat, Section 901.15, Florida law confirms warrantless arrest for offenses in officer's presence. Grading primary officer A-, transport officer B+, Spirit gate agent A-, husband B-, subject F. Lesson 1 Spirit's carry-on bag policy is private contract framework unaffected by consumer misunderstanding of value versus fee. Lesson 2 Section 44902B. Airline discretion overrides consumer preference even after item abandonment resolution attempts. Lesson 3 Boarding aircraft without ticket scan is federal felony under Section 46314 with up to 10 years prison. Lesson 4 Mistake of law under Cheek is not a defense. Abandoning disputed items does not restore boarding rights. Let us know in the comments which legal issue you would like us to break down next. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel,